Let's take a look at this next AP/AB calculus problem that deals with the chain rule. If there's any types of problems you want to see, comment below. So this problem has to do with the chain rule. How do I know it's the chain rule? Well, if you take a look, there is a function inside of another function. All right, so I can't separate this out into two separate functions unless I multiply it out to the fifth, which would take way too long. So what do we have? Well, if you remember the rules for the chain rule, if you have f of g of x, to find the derivative, we take f prime of g of x times g prime of x. Now, I always like to picture this like an onion. We are working our way from the outside in. What's the outermost function here? The outermost function here is x to the fifth. So f of x is equal to x to the fifth. That means f prime of x is equal to 5x to the fourth. And what's the innermost function here? Well, there's two different parts to it. So g of x is equal to x cubed minus cosine x, and g prime is equal to 3x squared plus sine of x. All right, don't forget to change that sign there. So now we can use the formula. We're going to take f prime of g of x. That means we're doing 5 times, wherever I see an x here, I'm going to plug in g of x cubed minus cosine of x. And that's all being raised to the fourth. Now you're not done. You've just done this part. Now you have to do g prime of x, which is down here. Make sure you put it in parentheses, 3x squared plus sine of x. If you take a look, the answer is E.